When a plumbing company grows past 10 employees, everything shifts from working in the business to working on the business. The owner can no longer keep every job, every truck, and every invoice in their head, so real systems for scheduling, payroll, and customer communication become necessary, or things start slipping through the cracks. Here is something most owners do not realize until it hits them. 10 employees is often the exact point where state labor laws start requiring things like written safety programs, specific break policies, and sometimes new workers' compensation classifications. And this varies quite a bit depending on which state you are in. At the same time, the owner physically cannot supervise everyone anymore, so a layer of leadership has to appear, usually a lead technician or an office manager who handles day-to-day questions. Culture also becomes something you have to build on purpose instead of something that just happens naturally, because new hires never met the founder on day one and do not automatically absorb the company values. Many plumbing companies actually shrink back down after hitting this size because the systems were never put in place, and the stress of managing people without structure burns the owner out. Growing past 10 is less about revenue and much more about whether your operations can run without you standing in the room. One common mistake is promoting your best plumber into a management role just because they are skilled with pipes, when leading people is a completely different skill, so it helps to train for leadership separately instead of assuming talent transfers. Another mistake is skipping written procedures because everyone used to just ask the owner directly, and once you have 10 or more people, that habit creates massive bottlenecks, so writing down your core processes early saves huge headaches later. A third thing to watch for is underpricing jobs because your overhead quietly grows with more staff, trucks, and insurance, so revisiting your pricing every few months as you scale keeps profit from disappearing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.